Mashed potatoes, greens and mushroom gravy. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 1 onion into crescents. Finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Slice 10 button mushrooms. Roughly chop 1 bunch of kale. Cut a head of broccoli into small florets and chop the stalks. Place the potatoes in a pot. Cover them with water. Bring them to the boil and cook until tender. Heat a pan over a high heat. Add the onion and garlic. Add a little stock and saute until soft. Add the mushrooms and saute until soft. Add 1 cup of stock and stir to deglaze the pan. To the remaining cup of stock, add 1 teaspoon of miso and stir. And add 2 tablespoons of wholemeal flour and stir. Add the flour, stock, miso mixture to the pan and stir constantly until it boils and thickens. When boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for a minute or 2. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and stir. Reduce the heat and simmer for a couple of minutes. When the potatoes are soft, remove from the heat. Pour the boiling potato liquid over the greens. Mash the potatoes with the potato masher. Add 1/4 cup of soy milk and stir with a wooden spoon. Add salt to taste and stir. Strain the greens and then serve.